by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is shown to you, will you be able to identify the same?
Yes po.
I'm showing you now a screenshot of the statement from the President titled, quotes, message from President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and quotes, Your Honor, that is previously marked as Exhibit B-Roman numeral 4-12 for the prosecution through the website of the Presidential Communications Office. Now, question: what relation, if any, does this document have with the printout that you mentioned?
Your Honor, same objections to this printout. Yes.
May I know the
Your
specific
Honor, same
objection?
objections. There is on the right bottom portion of the Annex P-U-12, 12A, and until 12B. There are marked certified true copies from the NBI signed Safira T, dated 4/10/26, Your Honor.
Court made a previous ruling about this matter already, but the objection is duly noted.
Submit, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Witness, how faithful, please? How faithful, if at all, is this printout from the actual screenshots?
The printouts accurately reflects the screenshot, sir.
And how do you know that this printout accurately reflects the screenshots?
I compared the printouts with the screenshot and the web page wherein the message can be seen and found that the contents are identical, sir.
Now, you mentioned that an authenticated recording of the President making the statement. You mentioned that. Now, yung question now is, sino ba yung gumawa ng authentication na ito?
I did, sir.
Ano ba yung pruweba mo na ikaw talaga yung nag-authenticate ng video na ito?
It's part of the January 13 affidavit of authentication of digital evidence na in-identify ko po kanina.
Okay, Mr. Witness, ano bang ginawa mo kung meron man? Pagkatapos mo sinabi mong ni-record mo, saka in-authenticate mo yung video ng Presidente na nagbibigay ng statement niya.
Sinave ko po yung video sa laptop ko and sa flash drive.
Oh, na-mention mo yung flash drive. Now, kung yung flash drive ipapakita sa'yo, ma-identify mo ba yan?
Yes po.
Now, Your Honor, please, we're in the process of confronting this witness ng isang flash drive that is previously marked for the prosecution as Exhibit B, that's Roman numeral 4-13, small letter E.
Permission to unseal the flash drive, sir.
Witness may do so.
Thank you,
Please
Your
proceed.
Honor.
Continuing manifestation that the flash drive contains the recording of the President making the statement that is previously marked as Exhibit B, Roman numeral 4-13 for the prosecution.
This is the flash drive where I saved the recording, sir.
Okay, now, move that we allow Attorney Stephen Magallon to proceed to the technical booth to have the recording played on this. Be accompanied by the defense. They want to.
So ordered.
Mura. Nakakabahala ang mga pahayag na narinig natin itong mga nakarang araw. Nandyan ang walang pakundangang pagmumura at ang pagbabanta ng planong ipapatay ang ilan sa atin. Kung gano'n na lang kadali ang pagplano sa pagpatay ng isang presidente, paano pa kaya ang mga pangkaraniwan na mamamayan? Ang ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Yan ay aking papalagan. As a democratic country, we need to uphold the rules of law. Ako, bilang pinuno ng Executive Department at lahat ng mga nanunungkulan sa pamahalaan ay may sinumpaang tungkulin na tutupin at pangangalagaan ang konstitusyon at ang ating mga batas. Kaya hindi tama ang pagpigil sa mga halal ng bayan sa paghahanap ng katotohanan. Hindi na sana hahantong sa ganitong drama. Kundo at sa House of Representatives, ang katotohanan ay hindi dapat itokhang. Tapos na sana ang usapang ito kung totoo yan ay magsabi ng totoo at hindi hahadlangan. Imbis na diretsahang sagot, nililihis pa sa kwentong chicheria. Hangad ko na matuldukan na itong mga pangyayaring ito parang matiwasay at magdadala sa atin sa katotohanan. 12 taon din ako nanungkulan sa magkaparehong kamara ng Kongreso. Batid ko